So here we are, back at the barn. Goosey, Alpha, Bravo, and Echo. Clancy's up on the hill. Oh, the sky! The sky! Yeah, Clancy's by the feed buckets. Little commotion around the corner. All good now? All good? Okay. Sorry about the crookedness. I'm trying to get around the post here. But Bob has his three stooges and we have our three amigos. Yeah. Yeah. Pablo, Pedro, and Pepito. Yeah. Right, Clancy? Oh. Oh. What you doing, bud? Mama got bubbles. Should Mama try to throw some bubbles? Okay, hold on. Well, doesn't go with the camera. Ha! It's a little bit awkward. Let's try to go lower. No? You're not even interested in the bubbles? Alrighty. Bubbles! Echo is watching the bubbles. What is it, Echo? Is that bubbles? What? I know you've never seen bubbles, have you? Bubbles! Sorry, they don't go very far. Bubbles! Fascinated by bubbles. I know, Bob. What do you think, Goosey? Bubbles! Entranced by bubbles. What is it? Oh, Goosey's coming to inspect. You gonna look, buddy? Okay, hold on. Clancy's not sure what to make of it. This is funny. And all was quiet. I know. I know. Huh? Are those weird things? What do you think, Goosey? Yeah? Bubbles! What? Holly likes bubbles! You like him too, Sky? Oh, good girl. Bob. Okay, one more time. And of course it didn't work now. Bubbles! Okay, see you later, guys. Bye-bye. So this is Barney and Betty. Betty is to the right. Barney has that little whitish on the head. Yes, we got you last year, didn't we? Let's throw some bubbles on you. And of course the bubbles don't work. Give me a moment. Whee! Bubbles! What is that, Betty? Are those bubbles? When I started bubbling earlier, she started coming over. I was like, what is that? That was a pretty mama. Right? Are those pretty bubbles? Whee! Bubbles! What do you think? You gonna look at them? Whee! So cute. Hi, Betty. I love you, Betty. I love you too, Barney. Yeah. He's still adjusting to us. He's with us for a year now. We rescued him last year. And he was just skin and bones. Yeah. You're not so skin and bones anymore. Yeah, but you're losing your feathers. Yes, you do. You have a good night, guys. Night-night.